video I'm going to unbox and assemble this mini steel scaffolding. I bought this in May of 2025 at Princess Auto for $140 plus taxes Canadian. It was on sale and is normally $190. So here's the contents of the box laid out. We got our instruction manual to put it together. We got our 4 casters here, our wheels, and they lock. And press that down, wheel won't turn. So 4 casters, the cotter pins to put them in place on the legs. Our 2 platforms here, which we'll put inside here. And I will say I am pleasantly surprised. I thought there was going to be a fair bit of assembly to this. This all came this way, all put together. I haven't done anything here. So we'll do the little bit of assembly that is required. First thing we're going to do is attach the casters to the legs of the scaffolding. These are the lock pins that are included. These what you do here is you simply pull that out. Stick it through the caster and the frame and lock it in place like that. Now we're going to stand the scaffold up and put the platforms in place. This thing's kind of a little wobbly, as you can see. So let me get this here for you to see. And stabilize when we put our platforms in place. So, we can put them different configurations. Say if I'm using this because it will paint the whole house here. That, and suddenly, very stable. Or I guess you could probably do something like this. And I'll lock the wheels in place so it doesn't move. Get it off this hardware. Much more stable once everything's locked into place. So anyway, apparently this thing will hold 600 pounds. And I got, a couple extra pounds on me for sure. I would say by the looks of it, he's going to be much more stable. All right. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.